So dear scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus and some important questions regarding generic elective course, Educational Sociology. And this course is meant for the students of BG 5th semester batch 2016 to 2019. Subject code is ED516G, credit 6, and it is the generic elective course. So unit first is Educational Sociology and Culture, and in this unit you have to study what is education, concept of education, definitions of education, and then aims of education and objectives of education. B, then you have to study the meaning of sociology, definitions of sociology, scope of sociology. And in scope you have to study formalistic school of thought and synthetic school of thought. Then you have to study what is educational sociology, applied branch of sociology. And meaning of culture, definitions of culture, characteristics and components of culture. And then you have to study the relationship between education and culture. Unit second is social change, and in this you have to study the meaning of social change and definitions of social change, factors responsible for social change, that is economic factor, social factor, political factor. And then you have to study the resistance to social change. And then you have to study education and social change, education as an agent, instrument and effect of social change. Unit third is social process, social mobility. In this you have to study the concept of social process, meaning of social interaction and types of social interaction, that is conflict, competition, cooperation, accommodation and assimilation. Then you have to study what is social norms and values. And then social mobility, concept of social mobility and types of social mobility, that is vertical social mobility and horizontal social mobility. Unit 4 is social problems, their consequences and remedies, causes, consequences and remedies. First social problem you have to study is poverty, then illiteracy, it is consequences and remedies, child labor and child abuse, then drug abuse and gender sensitization, urbanization. These are some social problems you have to study. First you have to study what is meant by poverty, what is meant by illiteracy, then its consequences and its causes and remedies. How we will overcome these problems and these. Then references, or we can say the recommended books. This is all regarding syllabus. Now I will share with you some important questions. Now let's discuss some important questions regarding the same. Question: define education. What are the objectives of education? Next question is discuss in detail the scope of sociology. Next question is how economic, social and political factors cause social change in society. Next question is how education is affected through social change. Next question is briefly describe the characteristics of competition. Next question is describe in brief the meaning and definitions of accommodation. Next question is discuss the problems of child labor. Next question is suggest remedies to the problems of poverty. So this was all regarding the syllabus and some important questions regarding to generic elective course Educational Sociology for BG 5th semester batch 2016 to 19, University of Kashmir. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe.